Hey folks, today is Tablescape Tuesday. Can you believe it? We are here once again. So glad you stopped by to see what's going on today. And today we have our silver and white tablescape. And just in case you didn't know, this video is a Christmas series that I am so excited to share with you on today. I just wanted to say thank you to my faithful viewers, those that are a part of the Design to a T family. Thank you for coming by. And again, if you happen to be new here, thank you for stopping in. I thank you for visiting, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. And here I am just giving you an overall look of the items that I will be using in this tablescape. So many of the items you have seen before. I am adding some Christmas decor as well as my famous DIY napkin rings. You will see those in the video, of course. Just wanted to let you know there are many videos to come, and if you don't want to miss them, you have to subscribe. So consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell twice, and you will be notified of all of my uploads. So guys, if you need some inspiration on how to decorate your table for the winter season, be sure to stay tuned.